The Shiba Inu community has a lot of promise. Even though Shiba Inu coin's price isn't going up and its volume seems to be staying the same, it has more potential than any other cryptocurrency to not just hit all-time highs, but to go much higher than that. Because of this, I think people will say what they think about whether or not this group is real because it is small and quiet. Let's talk about some facts about Shiba Inu coin. Yes, let's talk a bit about the new Twitter community that's being built around the Shibarium platform. In case you want to know. Let's also think about how big that community is, because when the next market comes around, Shiba Inu coin could really improve, both in terms of the number of busy community members and the way the price moves. So, let's get started if it sounds like something you might be interested in. We talk about the latest news about Shiba Inus and the Bitcoin world in general on our channel. If you are watching one of our movies for the first time, we want to give you a warm welcome. You can make sure you never miss a movie by clicking the bell. We will say that this station is giving away 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To enter, you only need to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a message with the hashtag #ShibaInu. On June 15th, we'll find out who won. Aside from the game in the metaverse and everything being made in the ecosystem, Shiba Inu coins only meant social media statistics. Because of this, there will be some difference there. Usually, if the price goes down by 10%, I'd expect the average number of mentions to go down by about 1%. But stagnation kills people's joy, and Shiba Inu coin has been very stagnant over the past few weeks, just staying around the 800 mark per coin. People aren't as interested because of this. Traders especially love volatility, but people are excited about both volatile investments and the Shiba Inu coin. It was one of the most volatile investments in 2021, which is why the number of times it was talked about on social media went down by 13%. But 147,000 comments in the last week is a huge number. If you look at how people use social media, you'll see that many are happy to click like, share, or comment. All of this has gone down by almost 30% in the last week, but there are still 1.4 billion social media contacts. The prices are not moving. The Shiba Inu coin has gone down in value over the past 2 years, and this cryptocurrency winter or ice age, as you may call it, is hurting people's feelings about the crypto space. But we can still do well. This is shown by the fact that more than 1 billion people use social media every week. Now think about how strong the Shiba Inu coin society is in light of this. But I also want to talk a bit about the token's ability to do even better. Because if you think the community members are at their best right now, you can join the Twitter community to find out more about your barium. People who have done this before have quickly gained tens of thousands of members in that community. It's only been a few days, but there are already 1,000 users, which is a very low number. Consider it. Tens of thousands of people are part of the conflict. There are hundreds of thousands of fans. There are almost 1 million followers on the Satoshi Twitter account, 3 million followers on the Shiba Inu Twitter account, and, as I said, 100,000 followers on the Shibarium account. I know that Twitter communities aren't used the same way as individual accounts, but this shows that even though the Shiba Inu coin community is very busy, not everyone is there yet. People are in the lead when prices go up. You get what I'm saying? I'm sure you have at least one friend who always cheers for the winning team, because people are always the best. And when Shiba starts running again and the price starts going up with a little bit of joy, people will say, "Oh, I never left. I was always here," and they'll come from nowhere in a way you've never seen before. Now it's okay. I get it if you've been a member for a long time, but don't hate these people. They are what will cause the price to go up. They are the ones who will make Shiba Inu coin exciting again and make its value skyrocket. The good news is that, while we wait, the metaverse is still being built by experts. I know that they are also trying to get people to buy from the Shiba Inu group, but it is being defended by a very strong team. Shibarium is in good shape. We don't even know what the burning platform that was described will be able to do. Right now, the numbers on the testnet are great, but I can't wait for the mainnet to go live. The Shiba Eternity game didn't do as well as many people had hoped, but a huge infrastructure is being built for the Shiba Inu coin community right now, and it's growing all the time. One of the newest and possibly best additions is this cold storage-themed wallet that will burn 5% of wallet sales. People are burning, people are building, and Shiba Inu coin is growing. So can this asset really take off when the bull market comes back and people get excited again? I'd like to know in the comments what you think about this. Tell me when you think the bull market will come back and when Shiba Inu coin will hit its all-time high. On another note, let's talk about the lawsuit that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) brought against Binance, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchange platforms, and its CEO, Changpeng Zhao, also known as KSI. The case says that Binance broke federal securities laws by offering and selling digital tokens that the SEC thinks are securities but haven't been registered. The SEC says that Binance has been buying and selling digital tokens through its platform without following laws and rules, such as not registering these assets as securities. The case points out that Binance let U.S. investors trade these tokens, which may have been against U.S. securities laws. In the story, it is said that the SEC lawsuit comes after months of looking into how Binance works. The commission wants to go to court against the platform and its CEO, which could lead to big fines and limits on how Binance does business in the US. About the relationship with Shiba Inu, it is said that this cryptocurrency and other digital assets are traded on the Binance website. But this doesn't mean that Shiba Inu coin is directly linked to the case or that the SEC is going after it. On the other hand, names like Solana and Matic have been brought up as other tokens. It is important to keep in mind that news about regulations and legal steps against exchange platforms can make the cryptocurrency market as a whole more uncertain and volatile. Investors and people who use Shiba Inu coin and other cryptocurrencies should keep a close eye on changes in the law and regulations, as these could affect how trading platforms work and could affect the prices and availability of digital tokens. So, this video has come to an end. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe if you liked it. This helps me a lot with how YouTube works.